What is up, everybody? Yo, today we are trying Campbell's Chunky Ghost Pepper Chicken Noodle. It's empty. Already got it over here. Looks disgusting. As you can see, it also doesn't smell good. Smells pretty gross. Go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment what y'all want to see next time. Let's get into this soup. I'll try it with a noodle first. Okay. Okay, give it. Ah, it's hot. Yeah, they made it hot, hot. Try it like. Ooh, instant heartburn. I don't know if that little red piece is part of a pepper or not, but we gonna hope for it is. Ah, it's hot. We're gonna try just some sauce. Alright, this ain't no joke. It's the real deal. Hey, babe. Can you give me some milk, please? Holy shit. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see, I got some sweat. I got a little bit of tears working up. Let's go ahead and get like another little bite of the noodle or something. Oh, holy. This shit is hot. Let's make sure I get enough sauce, you know. Oh, man. Oh, hit that like button, y'all. That subscribe button. Comment what y'all want to see next time. Shit. Deal with sweat. Had to go in on the milk a little early on this one, guys. That shit. Ooh, it ain't no joke. Uh, that's crazy, y'all. Oh my god. Ah. Stuck in your tooth. Fuck, this shit's hot. God, my mouth is on fire, y'all. So, that's pretty much it. Good old Campbell's Chunky Ghost Pepper Chicken Noodle Soup. It's even got a fiery heat from ghost pepper with a crust and like flame. I don't fucking know what the hell any of this means, but if you like hot soup, go get some of that. That's pretty much it for today's video, y'all. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Comment what y'all want to see next time. Follow me on all them socials, and until next time, y'all, have a good one.